Welcome back to Better Homes Designs. If you have ever dreamed of living in a warm, sun-drenched sanctuary with timeless architectural elegance, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into the world of Spanish Mediterranean house design. We will explore what makes this design style so iconic, its incredible benefits, how to decorate your exterior for maximum curb appeal, and the top architectural variations you can choose from. Plus, we will tour 10 stunning real-world designs to give you endless inspiration. Let's get started. Spanish Mediterranean house design is an architectural aesthetic heavily rooted in the coastal regions of Spain, Italy, and Greece, modified over centuries to suit sunlit climates. At its core, this style harmoniously blends Moorish, Spanish colonial, and classic Italian influences into an inviting, rustic yet luxurious residential form. Signature features include thick white or warm-toned stucco walls, low-pitched red clay tile roofs, graceful arched doorways and windows, ornate wrought iron accents, and private central courtyards. It represents a seamless connection between indoor comfort and outdoor living, wrapped in organic, handcrafted textures. Choosing a Spanish Mediterranean home offers both functional advantages and enduring aesthetic appeal. The thick stucco walls and heavy terracotta clay roof tiles provide exceptional thermal insulation, keeping interiors naturally cool during hot summers and warm during cooler nights. Architecturally, these homes prioritize open floor plans and integrated outdoor spaces like lodges, verandas, and inner courtyards, encouraging an active, resort-like indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Beyond practical energy efficiency and airflow, Spanish Mediterranean homes possess a timeless quality that never goes out of fashion, consistently holding high resale value while creating a welcoming atmosphere for entertaining guests. Decorating a Spanish Mediterranean exterior requires a thoughtful combination of natural raw materials, lighting, and botanical framing. Start with a warm, sun-washed color scheme for your stucco base, using off-white, warm cream, or sandy beige shades that pair naturally with dark wood doors and terracotta roof tiles. Incorporate dark wrought iron fixtures, such as lantern sconces, window grills, and decorative courtyard gates, to add high-contrast artistic detailing. Accentuate your pathways with hand-painted talavera tiles or stone pavers, and surround the structure with Mediterranean landscaping like olive trees, tall Italian cypress, potted bougainvillea, and cascading jasmine to complete the vibrant coastal look. While all Spanish Mediterranean homes share common foundational traits, several key substyles allow you to tailor the look to your personal taste. Spanish colonial revival features classic whitewashed walls, asymmetric facades, heavy timber accents, and simple yet elegant low-slung profiles. Tuscan or Italian Mediterranean styles favor warm ochre or tan plaster with extensive natural stone masonry veneer, elaborate stone columns, and grand formal entrances. Finally, modern Spanish Mediterranean blends traditional clay roofs and stucco arches with floor-to-ceiling glass paneling, crisp monochromatic paint, black metal accents, and minimalist outdoor spaces for a contemporary luxury feel. One, modern flat-roof Mediterranean pavilion with broad lawn. This contemporary interpretation swaps traditional clay tiles for a sleek, multi-tiered flat roof line with thick geometric overhangs. The exterior features crisp, light cream stucco walls paired with full-height glass doors that slide open completely to reveal an expansive indoor-outdoor living salon. Frameless glass views and clean, manicured lawns establish a tranquil, modern resort aesthetic. Grand two-story Spanish villa with courtyard driveway. A sprawling luxury estate showcasing classical barrel clay tile roofing, paired with multi-textured stone veneer and warm tan stucco walls. The design features a grand central arched entryway with decorative stonework columns, an upper-level octagonal turret room, and symmetrical double garage wings facing a paved circular driveway. 3. Authentic Spanish colonial courtyard with central fountain. Enclosed by high stucco walls and grand studded timber gates, this traditional Spanish courtyard centers around a tiered stone water fountain surrounded by red clay pavers. Vibrant pink bougainvillea climbs the smooth white walls, while tropical foliage and classical wall niches create a secluded, old-world outdoor retreat. 4. Low-profile Santa Barbara-style ranch with arched loggia. Emphasizing low horizontal lines, this Santa Barbara-inspired residence combines multi-tone red clay tile roofs with smooth, warm beige stucco. A series of open arches forms a covered front porch surrounding a curved entry garden path, while dark wood multi-pane windows add subtle contrast. 5. Elegant double balcony Spanish mansion with ironwork doors. A striking two-story symmetric estate highlighted by a soaring central archway housing custom wrought iron entry doors. The upper level boasts twin Juliet balconies with intricate iron railings, flanked by slender Italian cypress trees and manicured boxwood hedges along a paved brick courtyard. 6. Earthy Spanish Revival residence with archway entrance. Featuring a rich, sun-baked terracotta stucco finish, this two-story home highlights classic Spanish Revival craftsmanship. Key elements include stacked clay tile eaves, dark timber garage doors, copper gutters, and an arched entry porch lined with decorative colorful tiles. 7. Rustic Mediterranean stone and stucco pool house. A stunning rear yard facade combining rugged stone masonry walls with smooth white stucco sections under a low-slung red tile roof. The open outdoor loggia and covered dining lounge face a crystal-clear swimming pool, capturing the essence of European country living. 8. Resort-style single-story Mediterranean villa with fire features. Designed for ultimate outdoor entertaining, this single-story home opens out onto a paved travertine pool deck. The infinity edge pool is framed by integrated fire pits and water fountains, creating a dramatic illuminated backdrop against white stucco walls and dark framed windows. 9. Grand Tuscan Spanish estate with tiered fountain driveway. An opulent multi-wing estate featuring multi-tiered stone water fountains set within a patterned turf and paver circular driveway. Towering palm trees framing towering double-height entry arches highlight the grand scale and rich architectural depth of this Mediterranean mansion. 10. Sprawling single-story Spanish ranch with stone accent facade. Combining rustic fieldstone walls with smooth off-white stucco, this expansive single-story layout stretches horizontally across a rolling green lawn. Red clay barrel tiles, warm window illumination, and integrated garage archways give this home a serene, welcoming street presence. Spanish Mediterranean architecture remains one of the most enduring and captivating choices for modern homeowners. By balancing warm natural materials, graceful structural arches, and expansive outdoor living areas, you can create a home that feels like a permanent vacation. Whether you prefer modern minimal lines or rich old-world details, this style adapts beautifully to your lifestyle. If you love these design ideas, please hit the like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more inspiring home tour videos. Drop a comment below to let us know which of these 10 homes was your absolute favorite. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.